But it... So as you can see, after I flat ironed it, it really did wonders to my hair. Wonderfully did. Copy. Hello everyone. Because of the quarantine, I know that everyone has been issues and downs and sadness, and because they can't see their loved ones, or they can't go out like they used to. I know it's devastated all of us. Leaves and not has to linger anymore, that it'll be gone. So no further ado, you guys take care, wash your hands, and enjoy my bloopers. Bye-bye. Is my 3-month challenge. Go Oreo. So, what did I say it was going to be? I forgot. For my nighttime. Night, like it said, I use this here. First, I put over my is the eye gel from Eva. I do use it morning and night after I wash my hair. So as you can see, but I do put the coconut oil with the baobab. This is what I use first, and I do just around my eyes and between my 11s. Baboil.
60.
And then when I saw this, I was like, and today I am going to do a Christmas wreath. I'm going to... We?
It's always we.
We!
Because a millennial that's watching this crap.
Of fun facts. So, number 1. And that's my dog. My hair is my face. So as you can see, prints in my, oh Lord, in mine. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining my channel, and today we're going to be talking about the coconut oil challenge that I'm doing and my hair. It is doing wonderful, so I just kind of wanted to talk about it and show you what I've been doing, and I do hope all of you had a great Thanksgiving. So you all take care and have a great day. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today, and today is but I do use boy, and today I am going to do a wreath. I have got the coconut oil. Oh god. And today, my grandson's here. Hi. I know you did. But my skin has really got damaged. Got damaged. But it... I need more coffee. So as you can see, after I flat ironed it, it really did wonders to my hair. Wonderfully did copy. So as you can see, after I flat ironed it, I don't know what I was going to say. To do my makeup, and was going to good afternoon. And today our 15 things is about me of little what did I say it was going to be? I forgot. Brush, as you can see here, it is tech brush right here, and this is what the tech brush. But I do use boy to makeup to even cleaning cleansers on my face. So yeah. What was I gonna say? It is the Butter and Rose, and it's like I said, you can see right here. I've used it, but you can see that I'm going like here. Avalanche might have scored. I don't know. My mom is watching the Avalanche game.
Holidays?
Nope. All right. Hi, guys. You got everything there?
Yes, I did.
my grandson's got a little pad.
I'm taking notes.
You're taking notes for me? I have my own secretary.